going to be teaching you how to use the fuse machine in Plants vs Brainrot. So just like the name sounds, Plants vs Brainrot, I'm going to be fusing both the plant and the brainrot. So guys, for you to achieve this, all you need to do is go to your backpack, as you can see, and go to plants and find out the particular plant you have. At this point, I don't have any plant here, so I'm going to go to my garden, yes, and I'm going to pick up the plants I want to use. So I want to use all of these plants here, so I'm just going to pick them up. It's as simple as that. You pick it up with your shovel. So yes, yeah, I'm just picking up with the shovel. Yes, yes, yes. So I don't need to pick all of them up, obviously, but it's just for the sake of this video. All I need is one plant. So remember, guys, you can use the mythic, the epic, the gold, whatever you have. So we're going to go back to the backpack quickly, and we're going to check. I'm going to be using the sunflower. Yes, if you know, you know I love the sunflower. So I'm just going to place it here. So guys, so once you place the sunflower, it's going to tell you what you need. So as you can see now, I need a Berber baton beam to place. So you cannot place a random. That's it. That was it, right? That was it. That was it, guys. Whoa, oh my god! And but epic is. I think epic goes out. He's in auto cell. Oh my goodness, guys! I just lost that. I don't know what is coming. Oh my goodness! I have to quickly go and remove epic from auto cell. I lost that. I pray another one comes, guys. But anyways, I'm sure you saw what happened. So my auto cell, my baton beam is an epic, and that was in my auto cell, so I did not get it. But obviously I want to believe that you understand what this means and you understand the physics or the brain behind this. So you cannot place a random brain rot. You will be told the particular brain rot that you will place. Now I'm going to definitely get that. So yes, I'm going to get that. As you can see, I'm definitely getting that. So let's check my brain rot, guys. So brain rot, and I'm sure I would have that. So I'm just going to search for a, yay, I got it. And I'm going to place it like so. Amazing. Yes, 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 I know. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to click on the fuse machine, guys. Yes, yes, and I'm going to fuse. So are you sure you want to fuse the sunflower and the baby baton pea? He says yes, and it's going to take 2 minutes for me to fuse this. So while it's fusing, or while we are fusing it, guys, so while it's taking 2 minutes, I can as well just go to my garden and check out what's happening. Yeah, so let me go to the seed shop, guys, and see. The seed shop definitely has restocked, and see what's going on, guys. Yeah, so let's see. So there's watermelon, so I'm gonna buy. And there's the eggplant. Amazing. If you know, you know, guys. If you know, you know. You have to always, the eggplants are like my greatest soldiers. I'm not even going to waste time. I'm going to plant it like right now. Right now, right now, right now. Yes, 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 yes. So let's go plant the eggplant. I use it for shielding. I make sure that I always have the eggplant. Like it's a barrier, if you know what I mean. So let's go and get the seed for the eggplant, and I'm going to plant it here. Yes, at the back. So whatever happens, anything that comes that way is going to get killed. So yes. So guys, let's go, and let me also equip my best brain rot. I'm at 533. I'm at 530 million. And it's just annoying because I need two things, two secrets, guys, to rebirth. And I'm gonna lose all of this money. That's the most annoying part. But I don't have a Vaca Satano Saturnita. Neither do I have a Lost Traletoris, and so I have to look for that out. That's something for another day. So let's go check out. Okay, it's 9 seconds. 8, 7. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we're going to find out what's happening here. But my inventory is filled up. So you see why I had to auto sell Epic? Yes. You see why I had to auto sell Epic? Like this thing is just like crazy, man. So now I have to sell some stuff. And I feel so bad. I always hate it when my inventory is filled up. So I'm going to equip Best Brainrot. I have to favorite some stuff before I actually sell. So I'm going to try and favorite all the great stuff like Odin Din Don Don, Mateo, Taralella, my Giraffa, Celeste. So I'm just going to favorite everything. Obviously, I can't afford to let this go. Let it go. Let it go. Nah, everything favorited. Yeah, so okay, all of the things in the purple also. Yes. I actually have very good stuff, guys. Imagine if I'd sold without favoriting. That'd be crazy. So I can tell now. Okay. Let me see, guys. Let me see. Yes, my Giraffe Celeste. So now I can sell. Okay, guys, so I'm going to sell. Okay, guys, I almost lost the boss, guys. I think I should calm down and check this thing because if I lose anything, I'm going to be really pissed off. Like crazy pissed off. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. What did I lose? What did I not remember? See, I almost lost this one, guys. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you imagine, guys? Okay, I think I got it. I hope. Please, I hope I didn't lose anything. So I want to sell my brain rots. Imagine if everything gets sold, including the ones I've ever read. I run crazy. Okay, guys. So, oh my days, guys. So, and that's about it, guys. So once you fuse and you click on fuse, it goes directly into your backpack. And yeah, it is what it is. So, guys, I hope you now know how to fuse your plants in your brain rot. And you have to always, like fuse a mythic. A mythic goes with a mythic, a legendary, a godly goes with godly, a secret goes with a secret, like so. So, yes. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. And now, are you going to let me know in the comment section? Are you going to be using the fusing machine? Do you think the fuse machine is worth, because one of the things I got when I rebirthed, do you think is worth all the money we lost? What do you think, guys? Do you like the fuse machine? I do. I do. I feel like the machine itself is beautiful. And I really wish it allows us to fuse it with any brain rot that we like. I really wish, honestly, but it is what it is, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe, drop a comment, and I'm going to drop in another video. And yes, guys, I have a lot of things to give to you guys, a lot of giveaways, guys. See, guys, to be candid, I want to give out all of this stuff I have. And the reason is very simple. Once I rebirth, I'm going to lose everything. So I'm as good as just giving it to you guys. Why do you think I would want to lose all of this stuff, to Dandel? I don't want to lose it to Dandel. I want to give it to you guys. So let me know in the comment section what you would like to have, um, amongst all of these brain rots. Let me know what you would like to have. Thank you guys for watching. Take care, take care, take care, take care. Bye, 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 bye.